All right, so first thing you want to do is go to Photo P, which I have a link below. You can click on the picture or the link that's in the column to your right there. You're going to want to go there, so I would just open it. I also put it in the thing next to us, but you can also just go right to it and just open it up in another window. If that it'd probably be easier to work with. Once you do that, what we can do is we can create a new project or we can open from our computer. What I want to do is actually open from the computer. So I am going to open from my computer. And then you should have downloaded the lab. And then once you unzip it, inside the lab materials, you're going to find this and images. Okay. So I'm just going to grab, I want you to grab the grid. Okay. So I sold this from the 960 GS grid system, but it'll work all the same for us because we're going to do 12 columns in our grid. And 960 is just kind of the generic thing that you do. So we'll hit open. All right, and this is a PSD. The nice thing about PhotoP is it opens PSDs just fine. And what it did is that it automatically already has these guides for us, as well as this color-coded section, okay? This isn't really necessary, and we could remove the guides as well. We could always turn those off. But it's useful in that regard. So that's the first thing I need to do. So I just want to open up that. And the other thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and import the pictures now, just so I can use them later. We're not going to use them right off the bat, but at least they'll be visible. So I'm just going to go ahead and do File, Open, and Place. And then I'm going to go to the images. And can I grab multiple ones? Let's see. Well, let me do multiples. And it did. Sweet. Okay. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and make a folder. And we'll rename this folder, and we'll just call this Images. Okay. And I'm just going to grab, so click, hold shift, click and drag, and I'm going to drop them into that folder. Try that again. Yeah. There it goes. Okay. And then we'll minimize it, and I'm just going to turn it off. Okay. But our pictures are there, and eventually we're going to come back to it, and we will utilize those, and we're going to scale them and stuff. But first, what I want to do is actually draw out the boxes, and we'll do that in the next slide. But we have it basically set up here.